Hello again, Nissan collectors, cartoon collectors that is. We have a ChoroQ 0 number 19 of the standard line, I think. It's from 2001. And it's a Nissan Primera from my internet search. Unfortunately, they have no accommodation for English at all. I guess these are only meant to be sold in Japan. So everything is in Japanese. Okay. Okay, that's a little plastic. Keeps the paint from getting scratched up by the cardboard. This is kind of an ugly Primera right here. This particular generation looks weird. Alright, let's see. It's like a coupe, hatchback. Kind of looks like a Saab in that view. Same with this view. Alright, well, anyways, seems to have come with different wheels and stuff like that, but the Choro-Q just has standard 5-spoke chrome wheels. It's a nice metallic champagne. It's not quite silver. I see a little bit of yellow in there. Nice door handle details. The window molding is raised, so that's pretty neat. Yeah. I could add some black paint in there later, but there is some black paint up in here. I like that the Nissan badge is raised. And then it's a smoked plastic body and headlights. This side here, that's where it's pulled off the molding sprue. We got some paint here for the rear tail lights. Even some cut lines up here and some rain gutters on the top. I gotta say, it's a pretty good representation of those photographs in cartoon form. It's just that this isn't really the most attractive car to me. And so, at least I'm going to do is put some new wheels on this thing. Yeah, I'm not going to make you watch. Hold on a sec. I'm going to putty up some wheels. So today I 3D printed up some wheels. They're called August Feroce, or Feroce. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but that's what I found on the internet. Okay, let's just take a look at a couple of their super deformed cars. For some reason I feel like this looks like a Prius. So here's I think the first generation Prius, and that's got some 3D printed wheels as well. And then here we have a Subaru Impreza, the bug-eye one. That's a cool one for sure. 3D printed ProDrive wheels there. Here's a Isuzu Gemini with some 3D printed wheels as well. And then the last one would be a Honda Odyssey with some Hot Wheels Real Rider type of things. But I did repaint them. Alright, so just got some Japanese cars here. Random stuff. Alright, let's let this guy spin its own here. Well, ChoroQ being in business for over 40 years has made a lot of different castings. This one wasn't particularly expensive, that's why I bought it. It's definitely not high on my list of priorities. But I used to own a more modern version of this car, but it was known as an Infiniti G20. So that's why I have a little bit of a soft spot for this car. Well, at least the nameplate, not this exact vehicle, but anyways, I appreciate you guys checking this out, and I'll see you in the next ChoroQ video. Bye bye.